How to change your profile picture on Outlook. So if you want to go ahead and change your profile picture on Outlook, here's what you're going to do. So you're going to come over to your Outlook mail, and over here what you're going to be doing, you're going to come here, click on the top right section. And from here, you're going to come to this place where it says add or change your picture. You're going to click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to be taking you to the actual account space. Over here, you're just going to make sure to, log into your account properly, scour through the actual signed in section. And once we go through all of that, basically it's going to allow you to add any profile picture that you want to continue with. Okay. So I'm just going to get myself through the actual onboarding and I'm going to show you how it looks. So it brings you right here where you can add a photo. Okay. So once you click on add photo, it's going to open up this section. So let's say I'm going to choose this and you have your drop zone. Let's say I'm going to go with this and we're going to click on save. And once you click on save, there you go. That changes your profile picture and that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.